What's up, guys? Phil's POV here, back with another video, and we have some unfortunate news coming here from the BMW E90. Yesterday I was actually driving on the freeway and my sunroof actually decided to blow up, like physically. So we were driving and out of nowhere you hear this big boof and then glass falling. You look up and the sunroof has blown up outward. Like, look at this. Do you guys see this? This is a problem. Now, in today's video, it's a perfect opportunity to make a video. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace this sunroof. If you're in the same situation as me and your sunroof blew up, before you slide this back, make sure you've cleaned off all of the glass that's on top. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna slide this back from here very slowly. Make sure there's no glass in the back over here, because if there is, that can mess up your car. So what you're gonna do is slowly slide it back, just like that. Now we're gonna hopefully, you have to lift it into a up position. So what you're gonna do is just give power to your car. So you're gonna lift it up and I'm gonna hopefully, no glass fall. Oh, just like that. It is lifted. Now you may turn off all the power to your car. You don't need your key anymore, so I'm gonna go drop it off. Okay, now what you're gonna do is these accordion style little like hinge area things, you're going to remove them. So they're just like kind of like a pull out, but it's kind of hard to get it out. Just kind of pull. What you're gonna do is right here on the left, you can kind of pull this out and it will like kind of come out like that. And then you can continue to pull it out. Make sure you're going slow, because if your sunroof is like mine and it's broken, then you don't want any of the glass to fall out. So you're just gonna slowly pull it out like this. We're hoping here the glass doesn't break and fall on me. Usually you could actually tape it, tape the glass from the bottom with tape so that the tape doesn't hit it. But once you have that removed, there should be 3 bolts. There's one right here, and one down here. But I'm gonna do that to both sides first. Now you wanna remove this slowly. Boom, you got one out. All right, guys, now you're gonna remove this T25 screw. So you're gonna need one of these. It's a T25 head. You're gonna remove this one, and then the one down there. And then you're gonna remove them on that side as well. Once you can do that, you'll be able to lift it out. So let's just, you guys can watch a little montage of me removing them. Okay, now this should be able to just lift out. Now, guys, you want to put the bolts back in. I'm going to start with the middle one here, just because it's the one that kind of holds everything together. Make sure to tighten it. Guys, so now that you have it on, you're just gonna want to give your car some power and you're gonna try to close it. We're gonna try, you want to go slowly just in case to make sure nothing goes wrong. So let's just slowly close it, and just like that, it's closed. Now we're gonna pour.
You're gonna close
Now
the
you
door,
wanna
dude.
pour water
we
on
go.
top and see if anything goes in.
Hold on. Wait. Camera angle, camera. 3, 2, 1, dumper. Sheesh. All right, what's it looking like?
Just like that. Now we're gonna come in from this side because it didn't fall too much over here.
Let's see, boys.
We got any leak?
Any leaks? Feel around. Is it solid, airtight? What are we thinking?
It's looking airtight, guys.
Boys,
Just
that
like
is
that.
good.
Just like that, guys. That is how you replace the sunroof on a BMW E90. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to hit that sub because I looked on the analytics and about 99.3% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. It does help me out a lot. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.
Later, homies.